Hello, my name is Derek Soltis. I'm an attorney here at the law office of Patel, Soltis, and Cardenas. I want to talk to you a little about bankruptcy today. So almost every day I get two questions. Will bankruptcy destroy my credit? Actually, it's usually phrased in bankruptcy is going to destroy my credit, which isn't true. And the second question is, how much does bankruptcy cost? So as far as destroying your credit, as soon as you file for a bankruptcy and you get a bankruptcy discharge, you're going to start getting credit offers in the mail all the time for a car, more credit cards than you possibly could deal with. You don't want to max them out, however, because you can't get a discharge for another 8 years. So in some ways, after you declare bankruptcy, you get the discharge, you're in a better credit position than people who haven't declared bankruptcy. So your credit score can go up, can go down. It may not even change at all when you file for bankruptcy. If you want to see more about how bankruptcy really affects your credit, I'm going to have another video here that you can read. But we basically go to a company called Sin Legal. We pull an Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and LexisNexis report that basically will show you what your credit's going to be right now and what it'll look like 1 year after you file for bankruptcy. There's a company called Expert Credit that basically runs that as part of the report. I'll have a link to one of their sample things here in a bit. So anyway, so Expert Credit basically shows you what your current score is, and if you do nothing at all, what it'll look like in a year. So like I said, you can just click on the video and go take a look at that because it's pretty much a way to go. So if you just want to review what your credit score is right now, what it could be after filing for bankruptcy, or if you want us to prepare a report on what your current credit score is and the different errors, we can do that for you. We charge $257 to do this free credit report pull and then review it with you. However, you can go to annualcreditreport.com and you can get it for free. So now, as far as what does bankruptcy cost? If you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, there's a filing fee with the court. It's $335. If you're in a certain situation, you can have that fee waived. If you have a question about what it takes to qualify for that, give me a call. I'll go over for you for free. We do lots of consults on a weekly basis. I'm hoping this video kind of will cut down on those. So anyway, to file for bankruptcy, you have to take a course prior to filing and a course after the bankruptcy has been filed. They both cost $9.76. We recommend ccadvising.com for the first class, and then we recommend BAdvisor for the second class. If you own a property, you have to get a competitive market analysis prepared for that. That can cost $150, but if you know a realtor or a broker that can do them for you, you can get it done for free. So at the end of the day, if you want to do everything yourself, you can go to freecreditreport.com or annualcreditreport.com, get a free copy of your credit report. If you're too broke also, the court will waive your fee. And you can also, those two classes I was talking about, BAdvisor.com and ccadvising.com will waive your credit fee. So you can do it for free if you really wanted to. And one thing we also do, if you choose to use us instead of anyone else, we'll sign you up to a program. It's called 7 Steps to a 720 credit score. So after you file for bankruptcy, you can go up, take this class, start working on repairing your credit over the next 2 years. The course we're going to give you is basically the guy who sells it on his website. It's $1,000. So you can go there, take a look at the course, figure out if you want that or not. Like I said, we'll give it to you free because we buy in volume from them, so we get a discount. So let's say you want to hire us as your attorney. Our overall legal fee is $2,444 for a Chapter 7. Add in the $335 court filing fee, the two classes for roughly $20, you're looking at $2,799. However, we'll put you on a payment plan for a year if you want to do that. Why? Because we understand some people are so broke that they can't afford to pay that money up front. If you have the money up front, we'll take off $699 and just charge you a flat $2,100 for the fee. That's going to include the court filing fee. That's going to include the two classes. So sometimes you'll see somebody who's advertising bankruptcy dirt cheap. Well, it's probably because they're going to add the fees in at the end, and I can guarantee you they're not going to do everything else that we're going to do for you. So basically, we're going to give you this course to repair your credit. Then 6 months after your discharge, we're going to have you pull your credit reports again from annualcreditreport.com. We're then going to have an attorney review that. If there are any problems, we're going to basically send a certified letter to those people to have them remove it from your credit report, so your credit score is not going to be dinged by something that shouldn't be there. And if they don't remove it, we're going to sue them on your behalf. Why? Because you'll get somewhere between $500 to $1,500, and there will be attorney's fees on top of that. It doesn't come out of your pocket, costs nothing, but at the end of the day, if you file for bankruptcy, afterwards, we're going to make sure your credit report is clean as possible. So your choices are, you can pay either $2,100 up front or you can go on a payment plan over the course of a year. If you want to, we'll start working on to file your bankruptcy for free, but we won't file until we get our first payment from you. So if you have any questions, you can give us a call. So call us today, any questions, 201-256-1805, or email us at info@focuslaw.com. All this information is below the video if you'd like. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions about bankruptcy, feel free to call me. Once again, my name is Derek Soltis. I'm one of the attorneys here. I will answer anything I possibly can. If I don't know the answer, I will find somebody who can answer your questions. I don't want to leave you hanging if you have any bankruptcy questions. Thank you for your time.